Alright, today we're going to talk about the Bora 4-foot clamp. It's great to use when you need to cut a straight line for a piece of wood. This has worked really well. I used to install kitchens, so there was a lot of times I was cutting kitchen panels, and this made it just very easy. And you can see you can go very small up to the 48 inches. So wanting the lock. And I've had this quite a while and it still looks good. It's still aluminum, has not rotten at all, so I'm very happy with it. So I'm going to show you real quick how it is. I'm going to saw this piece of plywood. Going to mark it. So basically you put the one end right here, so we have a mark, and that's where I want to cut it and get it tight to that. And then basically you're going to pull this back, and again I've got a mark right here, and then you're just going to like where it stops, and then you're going to push in to lock it. Now basically you have to go over here and then actually lock it in. And what this does, it makes it very secure. So now no matter how much force I'm putting on this, it's not moving. So now we're going to take our saw and just cut right along this line. So on the other side. All right. Now you can tell this is a really even line. It didn't move at all no matter how much pressure I put on it. So I really like the Bora clamp. It's really great in the 4 feet section.